gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, I do a lot of type 4 natural hair care videos, and I have brought you all, I have gathered you all here today to watch me try out a diffuser. Seriously, I've never used one before. I just got this one on Amazon. It's by Revlon. It has this huge head. It's still very wet. I have low porosity hair, like I said, and it's gonna take some time to dry. So I don't want to wait a whole day and a half. I know y'all like, we are not doing this. This is why I do not do wash and go. So you probably want to know what my hair looks like dry, especially since it's so elongated right now. Does this hold up? Now, just for you, I went out and I bought a diffuser attachment and a new blow dryer. I've never used a diffuser before. I think they look really cool. I don't have a sit under dryer, so this is the next best thing for me in terms of trying so very hard not to disturb the coils and the curls. So here we go. My lights just went off. Everything just turned off. My diffuser literally sucked out all of the power from my house. I'm gonna try to fix this and keep going. So ladies and gentlemen, we are back in business. I blew the power, so I had to go to the fuse box, flip some switches, and get started again. And I also had to unplug some things, so hopefully I'm good. Lord. Whew. So at this point, this still has maybe like 25% more to dry. And I'm not loving how floppy the front is. I think that's a haircut need that I probably have, or maybe I need to push it back. I don't know. But it's about 25% dry now. And this is still pretty darn wet. This is like 80% still wet, if not 90, like 90% still wet. So that took me, if we take out like 3 minutes from the power outage, it's probably like 15 minutes just to get it where it is. And I think it's at a point where I would be comfortable going to work or leaving the house and not having like product dripping down my neck. So now I'm just gonna finish the other side and come back. Hey y'all, so I gotta come to you on my phone because let's look at this. This is my blow dryer. It has stopped. It's too hot. I think it just stopped. My camera died. I don't even know where it ended. It's taken me about like 30 minutes to get to where I am right now. I would say that it looks really good, but there's a section right here I feel that needs a little bit more drying, maybe like 5 more minutes before I would feel comfortable leaving. So I'm letting this cool off a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish the diffusing process, kind of doing all this and everything, and I'm gonna come back. I done broke a nail too. This is terrible. This is terrible, but I'm kind of loving the results. I'm like, it's kind of worth it. I'm crazy. I know, I'm crazy. We're I am done. I think, yeah, this side is still a bit more wet than this side, only by a margin, so you can sort of see the difference. I need to go get some air. It's hot, it's smoky in this room, you guys. So I'm gonna give you my first impressions. Here it is. It is. You wanna hear it? Here you go. One, it's hot. Okay, I had to take off my earring because when I was diffusing my hair, the earring got a little bit too hot and started burning me. So it's hot. The next thing is that this takes a long time. I've been doing this for like 30, 35 minutes and I'm like, okay, still not done. So this is something that I probably would do as a starter and then air dry the rest of the way. Your girl is lazy in that way. Yes, yeah, I'd say that. Number 3, it's bomb. Like, I'm looking at the fact that I can still have fullness and still keep a lot of the definition. I think that it's a really effective way to dry your hair, especially if it's low porosity and you're using as much product as I am. This is definitely not something that I personally would do every single day. Like, I don't feel like I'm the kind of person that would want to diffuse every day. If I was doing a wash and go every day, I probably would like go to sleep, wake up, fluff, and then just let, you know, the day do its thing. This is, wash and goes for me is definitely a night thing, I'm thinking. And also this diffuser thing, oh, but I can't do it at night. So yeah, I can't really diffuse at night because my son is gonna be asleep, but I may be able to diffuse in the morning before I like leave for work and things like that. So yeah, I would say definitely give it a try. The results are dope. Like, can y'all see that real quick? Yes, I love the results. I think that it's worth it for the style, but it's not something that I want to do every day. Okay. Anybody else got some thoughts on this? Let me know. Yeah, comment below. Let me know, have you diffused your hair? Have you been holding out on me? All right, and if you're interested to know how I started with this wash and go, I'm gonna link a video over here, and then I'm gonna show you like my very, very, very first wash and go down here. All right, I love y'all, and I'll talk to you in a few days. Mwah.